Hi there, Josh Watson here. I'm going to go briefly over how to use the RSS Aggregator Chrome extension, how to install it, how to use it and organize it, and how to subscribe to RSS feeds. First of all, you're looking at the RSS feed aggregator in the dark theme. I tend to like dark themes, it's easier on my eyes. Um, to get to this point, first you must install this Chrome extension, and you can do that by just searching for the RSS Aggregator Chrome extension in your favorite search engine and clicking on it and clicking add to Chrome. Once you've done that, you will have a nice little icon up in the top right corner, the RSS aggregator. If you'd like to click on read feeds, you can see what you have. And let me switch the tab over for us so that we're looking at the correct tab. There we are. And now I'm going to show you how to add a feed. So let's go perhaps to the CNN website. We'll just search for CNN RSS feed. And we're going to click on, I'm interested in technology. So I'll click on the RSS feed button. You'll see a nice little screen. I'll switch the tab so you can see that. A nice little screen like this with a subscribe button. Once you press that, it'll automatically enter into the RSS aggregator. Now I'm just going to quickly show you kind of how the RSS aggregator folders work. I'll switch the tab here. In order to make a group like these groups I have here, this one's labeled EdTech 501, you right click on one of the RSS feeds, you'll press group and click add. Then you can type, and it's really nice, you can drag them around, put them in different groups, change the order around, and then you can also click that I've read it, it'll mark it as read, you can delete it if you wouldn't like to see it anymore, and that's about all there is to it.